thinking about some great old Stones songs, and the one that came to my mind is Waiting on a Friend. I love that little guitar lick. I'm a big Keith Richards fan. And it's a C, little C move, C to F. So you're playing a C chord, and you pick up a D note on the third fret of your B string. You just lay that down there, right? Get that pinky there, and you go like this. You lead out with your target note, and then you move to the F and leave that pinky there. So you lift it up, and then I do a little pickup with the A string. I go. That's a great little change to jam to. I've done this with friends where, if you have a sax player or another guitar player or keyboardist, it's a great place to land, and I've seen the Stones vamp on this. But the actual song, it goes A minor to F to G, then it goes to C, and then back to G. Little walk down. That's just a C, B, A, G, 3, 2, open, G, and it goes to the lick. I want a friend. I'm just waiting on a friend. So, right here you can just jam along that. Walk down, G to C, little walk down, and then just jam. Cool little kind of hang loose C, F jam with a couple great little changes in it, and I think a great song by the Rolling Stones. Waiting on a Friend.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome! Rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it'd mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.